Hey, what is going on, guys? My name's Hannah. Welcome to Crypto Bible. I thought instead of doing a news update this morning, I'd take a quick look at the charts. I thought we'd dive into them and have a look and see what's going on because there's still a few people that are a little bit confused with what's going on, what they could possibly expect. I did do a video on it a few days ago, and I also included it in my live stream on Monday. We kind of just went through everything that we can kind of expect to see from Bitcoin, where all of our resistance levels kind of stand. And a few interesting things actually happened in the market this morning, which I just wanted to present to you guys and show you exactly what's going on. The first thing I wanted to do, though, was actually just go into the Bitcoin chart and have a look and see what resistance lies ahead, because there's a lot of them. There's a lot that we really need to get through before we can kind of be happy with what's going on, and us to kind of give us confirmation that this bull run will continue. But there is a lot of resistance levels that we need to get through, a lot that I can see anyway. So first I wanted to present that to you guys. So I'm going to go full screen for you here, right? So this is the Bitcoin chart right here on the 4-hour time frame. The first thing that I need Bitcoin to do, that I really want to see Bitcoin do, would be to break out of this range that we've been in for a very, very long time. As you can see, that is our range right here. Some could argue that it actually starts around, around this level around here. And that is what we actually rejected a few days ago, 2 days ago when we went up, and then we just rejected it. We've kind of just come up back up to this level again. I like to see us completely break out of this range and head up towards the $42,000 mark. Because to me, we've been stuck in this for ages, and we've rejected it once, twice, 3 times, now being 4 times. However, the difference is that this time when we have rejected it, it hasn't just come down straight away like we have before. It's come down a little bit, but it's come back on top of this area right here, which to me kind of shows like it's acting as a little bit of a support level right there now. So right there. So as you can see, this was resistance, and then it's been resistance there, and now we've broken back above that level, and now it's acting as support. So we could use that as a support level. But right now, basically, I'm just looking for Bitcoin to break out of this range as the first level of resistance. But then after that, there comes a lot more. We then get our Fibonacci retracement level, and we head back up and have a look at our full retracement. There's a lot of levels more that we would need to pass. So as you guys can see here, I'll zoom in a little bit. We need to get through all of these levels right here, guys. Obviously, first starting off with this range, okay, which will start around there. As you can see, as soon as we break out of this range, we've got the 0.382 we need to get through. Then we've got the 50% retracement. Then we've got the 618, 702, 786. So literally all of these right here, guys, are points of resistance that Bitcoin needs to smash through in order for us to kind of carry on. So there's a lot that we really need to get through in order for us to kind of be happy with what's going on. So even if I take this Fibonacci retracement off the chart right now, you can see right here there's a lot we really need to do. And then after that it comes this high right here. And then after that, it comes our all-time high. So, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 7 areas of interest to me that Bitcoin really needs to get through in order for us to kind of carry on. And we haven't even got past the first one yet, which is just coming out of this range. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm very bullish. I do think it will do it. So I don't want people thinking, I'm bearish on the market, on creating FUD or anything like that. It's nothing like that. I'm just being real with you guys. I've been bullish on this market for a long time, and I expected this to happen. And now it's just about looking ahead and see what we can expect. So without people getting super excited and saying, becoming moon boys, laser eyes, or whatever else, you kind of need to step back a little bit and realize that, cool, we've done the first thing. Okay, we've done the first thing, which was breaking out of our short-term resistance levels, which would have looked a little bit like this right here. As you can see right there, that would have been our fibs that we would have needed to break short-term, which we've smashed through all of them. So now it was all about just kind of zooming out a little bit and taking a look at the full retracement levels, which would be this. And there's a lot that we need to do. Okay, so all of these levels we need to break through. So, first things first, let's get above $42,000. And then we can kind of be happy and carry on with everything. But one thing we can do to look for examples is look at these leaders in the market, right? And one thing we've seen, I'm not going to show the AXS chart. In fact, I'll show it real quick because we've seen AXS do what AXS has done, is making new all-time highs nearly every single day. I mean, this is the daily chart for AXS. It's all the way up here now. Well, it's at $46, but it did go as high as $53 when just last month it was chilling at $2. So, you can see the extent of what the market is moving at. And to me, I've always looked to AXS as a leader in the market. And, it's fully doing that for me. And I do believe that other altcoins will begin to follow. Then what I decided to do was actually take a look at some of, the OG players in the market, because ultimately these guys have been around the longest time and they're always going to tell their own story as well. And, to my surprise this morning, we actually had a pop from XRP. People don't know I am a big XRP lover. I hold a lot of XRP as well. So it was really good to see. And this is what we saw from XRP. Again, this is on the short-term time frame. It just broke through all fib retracements right here. So it is about kind of just zooming out right now and taking a look at the full retracement for XRP. But I just want you guys to take a look at this right here. Take a look at this pattern right here, how we just kind of came down, capitulated, came back up a little bit, came back down, up, and then it was right here. This pattern right here is just kind of a little bit more significant because quite a lot of other charts look like that right now. So if you take a look at XRP, it's had a big pop right here after completing this pattern. But then we move over to Litecoin. It looks identical to XRP. This is XRP. This is Litecoin. You can see capitulation. We had that little rise up, back down. Capitulation, little rise up, back down, up. Then this little like N pattern right there, that little N pattern right there. And then, this is the point where XRP is just kind of gone on its own run. And I do expect XRP to get back to the $1 level right now. Well, hopefully very soon. We all know how XRP moves. It moves really, really quick. But I'm basically just expecting XRP to come back around these levels right here, because that just seems most logical to me until it takes a break. But as you can see with Litecoin, very similar in the situation. And again, hopefully Litecoin does the same thing, and we can kind of expect it, to come back into these levels right here, which for Litecoin would be around. Let me get out for you guys. For Litecoin, it'll be around this level right here, which could be anywhere between $180 to $200 is where I'd expect in Litecoin to go. And then we move over to ADA. It's looking the exact same. Literally, all of these are looking the exact same as XRP before XRP went up. So it's indicating very, very bullish movements in the market. Okay, they are catching up now, and it'll be interesting to see what they actually do after. So ADA, same thing with ADA. And then once we do get out of there, hopefully we'd be looking to come back into this region right here, which in ADA's case, we could be looking to come back around there, the $1.5 to $1.8 region. Lastly, Bitcoin Cash, another OG, again, doing the exact same thing. The difference with Bitcoin Cash is that it's actually broken through the last retracements, whereas Litecoin and ADA have not yet. They're still chilling under the 786. So we could expect Bitcoin Cash to maybe make a move very, very soon up towards these areas here, around $660 to $700 is where I'd be looking at Bitcoin Cash. I do not hold ADA or Bitcoin Cash. However, they're very good examples to compare to Litecoin and XRP, which I do hold these two. So yeah, that is basically what I'm expecting at the moment, guys. Hopefully, some of these other OG coins such as XRP, Litecoin, they could start making their own story and start becoming a leader in the market, because at the moment it is still AXS and a few others as well. Alice was being one of them. It was another coin that I mentioned in one of my videos where Alice seems to be a leader in the market. Sand, AXS, these guys are moving mad. Okay, they're showing the way, and at the moment coins are following them just at a much slower pace. So to me, all of those retracements that Bitcoin does still have, I'm still very bullish. I'm still very optimistic that we're going to pass them. Simply because of some of the leaders in the market and a lot of other reasons as well. But right now, it is just about kind of taking a step back and letting Bitcoin do its thing. Hopefully, we can just kind of, smash through some of these retracements one by one, get through them, and then see the rest of the market kind of catch up as well. And then, yeah, we just take it from there. But it's an exciting morning this morning. XRP now up 14%. Looking really good. Litecoin, ADA, Bitcoin Cash following very similar patterns to XRP. Will we see a pop from them as well soon? Well, we just have to wait and see, but it's looking like it may do. So that is going to cover it for today's morning video. I know it's been a little bit different, but charts are looking pretty good, and I just wanted to show you what I'm seeing with Bitcoin, just kind of crammed down into a short 10-minute video, right? So hopefully you've enjoyed that. Let me know what your thoughts are. Obviously, it's just my opinion. It's not financial advice or anything like that. Everyone's gonna have their own opinion on what Bitcoin's doing, what XRP is doing. Everyone's entitled to their opinion, but this is mine. If you've enjoyed the video, please show me by leaving a like down below. Subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure your bell icon is turned on so you know every time we upload a video. And join the Discord as well, guys. The link is in the description below, and I'll see you very soon. Take it easy.